How cool would this really be if you can just create images like this and you can make money? So I'm going to show you how you can make $300 just by creating little images. Now you don't have to be a graphic designer or you have to be really super tech savvy and this kind of stuff, because the website that I'm going to share with you is pretty cool. I'm also going to give you a bonus website where you can even make more money. So I'm going to give you two websites. One where you can create images like this, and the second one where you're going to place those images to get money. I'm also going to show you how you can collect money through either your PayPal account or if you have a Pioneer account. So either or, you can make money. But if this is your very first time that come across my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. First of all, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from, because every time I really like to know how far my videos are being watched all over the world. So just let me know in the comments down below. And if you're looking to make money, this is going to be a great video for you. And if you're looking for other ways, I have a lot of videos on here that you can go through. You could binge and you can watch. So I have a playlist right over here. So if you want to sit and watch this playlist, there's tons of videos that's going to be available for you. So subscribe to the YouTube channel so every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So this website that I'm going to be sharing with you is a website that is called sparkimage.com. As you can see, I'm already logged in and I'm going to show you how to do all of this stuff. But let me just head back over to the main website. So it's sparkadobe.com. So sparkadobe.com. As you can see, it says Adobe Spark, but you want to flip this around when you're searching for it. So you want to put sparkadobe.com. Now, once you do that, and you head on over to the sparkadobe.com. This is a great website. You could find tons of different things on here. There's features that you can find where one can, resize image. They can remove background. They can convert JPEG into PNG. They can convert PNG into JPG. Resize video. You could crop video. You could trim video. So this particular website can do a lot. Not only just create images or flyers or logos or banners, but it could do a lot. You can click on the Learn tab right here, and you can also get some tutorial and some education of how to go back there. Now, sure, if you want to upgrade, you can do an upgrade, but you don't have to do all that. All you got to do is just click on where it says Get Started for Free. So when it says Get Started for Free, you could sign up with Google, you could go with Facebook, you could go with Apple, or sign up with your email. If you got a Facebook account, just to make your life a little bit easier, just click on Facebook. I use Facebook and I just click on it. And then once you click on it, and then you're going to log in. This is where the back office is. So as you can see, there's so many different images that you can create. You can get them from your own templates that you design. There's Instagram stories, there's Instagram posts that you could create, Facebook posts, photo collage, presentation, there's slideshows, there's branded, there's custom size, whatever that you want to do. So as I said, I'm going to show you how you can even make images. Now the images that you're going to create are images that you can use and make money. Perfect example. Start from beautiful templates, recent jobs. If you want to create if you want to go back to your recent job. Now this is a brand new fresh account. So if you want to start from scratch, you can click on where it says, okay, so I need to log in again. So let me log in. I'm gonna log in with my Facebook. And that's what you do. I log in with my Facebook. Now there it is that I'm in. So you could do stand out on social media. You could do popular. You could grow your business. But of course, what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into the business niche, because business is the place to go. That's where you're going to get a lot of customers. Now on this is going to be a menu. You could click on the menu right here. And to create these image that you can get and people can download them, and people are going to pay you money to do that. As you can see on the right hand side here, you can download it. For some reason it is, okay, let me close this out. So over here, you could download it. You can also share it. There's templates on the left-hand side. There's templates, there's text, there's photos that you can add, icons, design. So you get the idea. Pretty awesome platform. So if you want to change this, right? Let's say you want to change this. I click on it. Now to the right hand side, that's all you have to do. So it says flavor garden bistro. I could put tasty, tasty um, flavor, tasty flavor dishes. All right, so there you go. So I could change the colors if I want. So if I want to change the colors, I can. I could change the different text on here. I could change size. I could bring it down. I could change the shape, shadow, outline. So many different things that I could choose from. All right. You could change the pricing on here. And then what you want to do, if you download it, what's going to happen? It's going to have the Adobe thing on it. Now, the reason why it has the Adobe on it, because it's the free trial. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade and it could become, they can remove it. But hey, say no more. We're basically going to, you can remove this or you could screenshot it, right? You could screenshot the entire thing. I could screenshot it right here. So I could go a nice little screenshot like this. So one, you could put it at the top right there. I know it's going to cut out most of it, but hey, that's mainly all of it. So I just screenshotted it. Now I want to head on over to this website. And this website is called designcrowd.com. So designcrowd.com, you could sign up for it. It is absolutely free. So people can browse jobs on here, or you could find jobs on here, or if someone wants to post their job and to get it done. Now, they have logo maker, they have the designer, all these logo design. You can come on over here. There's a banner ad. If you look over here on this side as well, there's graphic design, photo design, resume design, billboard, so many different things. Now, if you click on the design here, and let's say you want to go to graphic design, you can go to graphic design, right? Or you could scroll down here and you could go on brochure design, you can go on photo design, you could go t-shirt. So on this particular website that I was talking about, once you go on here, you can design anything that you like. You want to head on over back to this website that is called designcrowd.com, and you can basically find anything that you need. So if you want to find a job, you can go on label design. Now, if you go on the label design right here, this is like a cutting board oil label. So you have to read what they wrote, and then you have to come up with something creative. So far, there's 6 days left. There's 7 designs. There's 4 designers, and people are already submitting these jobs. These are jobs right here at 150. New biotic skincare brand. So there's big companies and big corporations that are looking for designer designs, and you can make $300. Like, look at this right here, just by creating or getting image. Now, if you go here where it says you can do logo if you want, you can do some logo image. You could do flyer if you want, right? There it is, flyer. There's $90. This person right here is looking for a brewery. Okay, logo design. You can put all categories. There's 90. There's 90. So people are always looking for different gigs. Now, I know most of you always wonder, like, how do you get paid once you sign up for this? All you got to do is just click on where it says profile, go to profile settings. And once you go to profile settings, right over here where it says payouts, you can click on the payouts. This is a brand new account. And if you haven't set up your payment yet, you can click on here. So if you click on it, you can add payment. Add a payment. You can go Pioneer or you can go PayPal. Put the email address, make sure this is good, and then you click add. Once you add it, every time you make money, whenever you make money, you could go and withdraw it. So you can have watch lists of different jobs. There's notifications every time you somebody anytime jobs are available. So there's different categories and designs that you could go through. You can go to envelope designs. So remember, these are images. You can get these images, you could download these images, and they're going to be ready for you. So hope you enjoyed that video. Didn't want to take up too much of your time. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. That's how you be able to download image, and you can earn $300 by doing so. And it doesn't take a lot of time. 10 minutes of work, put it up, get it done, submit it, and see if you get a job. See you in the next video. Peace.